This villa is 140 years old. It's been split into 3 different dwellings, so it actually at the moment is 3 different apartments. Now it's going to be pulled everything back to original. It's going to be the main house.
I'm Angela, and this is
David.
we're downsizing, and this is actually a perfect downsize for us.
Mostly it's a refurbishment to restore some of the features here from the past, but also to make it comfortable. There'd be a nice place to cook and
like the modern living and stuff like that.
And
so
the bathrooms, yeah.
It took us 6 months to get to this point because we were crossing the T's, putting dots, and doing as much homework as we could before we started.
Some builders and some tradesmen, the first thing they go is, oh, you know, that's going to be hard, and you know, that's going to be complicated, and James didn't do that.
This space here is going to be converted into a beautiful bathroom. This space here, that wall stays. This wall is going to be moved out. That window needs to shift from here to here.
I've always believed that it's a really important thing to work with the house as opposed to trying to fight it and actually trying to change it into something else.
In this living room, we're going to remove that ceiling entirely. We're going to bring it back to original ceiling that we can see from this hole here. We're going to remove the bathroom. Here goes the toilet. That kitchen over here stays. There'll be a new opening door here, and that will be pulled out, and there'll be stairs going this way and going that way. Big demo, a couple of skips in a couple of days, a lot of things going in and out. And look at this beautiful view. Spectacular. As you can see on the ceiling, there's lots of bits missing that has been damaged because of the second ceiling here. We took it apart and now we are back to the original ceiling. Been here since the demolition?
No. David's showing me.
First time for you!
I know.
Well, this is the hidden treasure. When we open up the wall, bang, we found this old piece of history.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that's amazing. It's a bit grand for us, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
One of the best finds was these beautiful plaster columns that we felt had to be renovated.
So exciting. So exciting.
Once we start the project, customer can go to Fiji, enjoy a nice long vacation.
Okay, we need to go.
We better go. Better let that dog go.
Bye.
See you later.
And everything will be left to us to deal with.
Remembering that this was a 3-apartment home and had to be reintegrated.
Customer move in, they're super excited, very thrilled, and they love it. They just love it.
We're delighted to finally be here and loving our new locale.
One of the jewels of the crown, we went and found very special carry doors. It took 3 people to carry one door. They are so big and heavy. That's really the beautiful feature of the house. You open them, close them, it feels very nice, very luxury and very ancient.
The upside of using James is that most of the effort is removed from your shoulders. He was able to chase up the particular trades and have a schedule and go hunting for the material that was required, which we didn't have to do, so we could relax a bit. I was going to say, James, your tile list is a real artist of Dave. He's done a really lovely job, and the solar light works really well.
But look at how much light there is.
The kitchen, as you can see, has a nice island, nice stone benches.
With the kitchen, we went for a modern kitchen, but with a bit of a touch of the country style.
The panels are a big plus and make it, that's a bit of a nod towards the age of the place.
It looks like a bit of an old school, but it has lots of sophistication, the system inside of it, beautiful high-tech stuff.
But one thing you need to look at. James hadn't seen that before.
In the master bedroom, we wanted to really spoil them. So because it's a very high ceiling, it's about 3-meter ceiling, we went for a ridiculously big, large, massive wardrobe. It's a lot of space. You can move the whole thing out. Very nice, very luxury. They could put more things into it. We have added another ensuite in a place that was not supposed to be, with heaps of light, skylights, massive walk-in shower, and customer love it. So this was a very interesting project. One of the things that is really good and privileged is for us to take a house that was in a super bad condition beforehand. It's 100+ years old, do it in a nice way that it is going to last another 100 years into the future. Keeping the character of the neighborhood, the vibe of the area, and it's just beautiful.
We don't plan on going anywhere for a long time. The transition after being in a house for 23, 24 years to coming to here is a big move. So yeah, I think we'll stay here for the time being. We are really happy. James and his team did a wonderful job, and this has been a great experience and a great result.